Welcome students in our online classes of ACS number 4 primary. Okay, today we will study lesson number 1 of class 3rd maths. Name of the lesson is where to look from. In this lesson, first we will find out that different things in what way we see, how they look. In the first page of the lesson, one example is given. Two students are drawing a car in different ways. See, first student is drawing car in this way. And second one is drawing car in this way. Normally we see, if we see in first impression, it is the right one and it is the wrong one. But it is not wrong. It is also right. Why? When we see car from the side, it will look like this. But that second one student saw that car from the top, from third floor, fourth floor, or maybe fifth floor. From the fifth floor, car will be look like this. So it is the top view of the car, and it is the side view of the car. And like this, different things. If we see, they will look different from the different views. See, one more thing that found in your mother's kitchen, it is pressure cooker. If we see the pressure cooker from the top, it will look like this. But if we see from the front, how will it look? See, so what we want to say in this lesson is different things that we see from different angles and different views. They look different from other. There are so many examples are given in the book. See, this container is there. If we see this container from the top side, how will it look? Only circle will look from this side. If we see this container from the top, it will look only in this way. But if we see from the front side, it will look like in this way. There are some other views are also there. Some other things are also there. If we see the table from the top, it will just look like the rectangle, like this. If we see this picture, or if we don't tell that it is table, nobody will understand. But it is a table, top view of the table. And if we see from the front, how will it look? It will look like this way. It is the table from the front side. Okay. Now some other examples are there also. Cupboard is there. If we see cupboard from the side, cupboard from the side or front side, it is the cupboard that will look in this way. It is the front view of the cupboard. But same cupboard, if we see from the top side, so it will just look like a rectangle. So many examples are there. Everything looks different from different angles and different views. Many pictures are given in your book also that you can draw by yourself. And there are two types of questions are there in the book. One is there to draw the view of the different things, and second one is there are picture is given and you have to tell that the which type of view is that. See, one I am drawing the picture of a railway track in three different ways. See, this one is the, which view is there? It is the front view of the railway track, or it is the, if we stand in the side of the railway track, it will be look like this, and if we stand in the front of the railway track, it will look like this. In the beginning it will be wide, and at the last stand it will look narrow, but it is the same. Because of the distance it will look some narrow here. Okay, so this is the first exercise of your book. Different views are there, and you have to draw and you have to identify the view. There are two type of questions. First one, you have to draw different views of different objects, and second one is there, if there is already picture is given and you have to tell which view is this. It is a side view, it is a front view, or it is a top view. Okay, now second one is there, second exercise is there, mirror halves. Name of the exercise is mirror halves. Half we know, if we divide anything it will be half in two equal parts. But what is the difference mirror halves and half? If we divide anything in two equal parts, it will be half, and mirror half, both the parts will be identical one. Both the parts will be same, identical. Okay, so see, if we see, I am drawing some pictures, and then we will see it will be mirror half or not. I am drawing same picture in two times. See, this is the picture. Here also I am drawing this picture. Now, in first picture I am drawing the line here, and in second picture I am drawing the line here. Okay, see the line. We are dividing it from here. So both the parts are same or not?
No, sir.
Not same. Both parts are not same. First one is bigger one, and second one is smaller one. So both are not half and not mirror half. In the second one, if we see, I am drawing the line from here, this side. Now these both parts are same, and both parts are equal also. If we fold it, and so then it will become just overlap the first part. See here, in alphabets also we can see this is a alphabet A. If we divide from here, so both parts are equal or not? No. But if we divide from this side, so both parts are equal, and both parts will be overlap each other. If we see this part, we can guess what will be the other part, because the identical one is there. The second part is also identical one. If we see this part, same part will be there. Okay, so one more is there. Which letter is this? U. If we draw line in this way, both parts will be equal or not? No. But if we draw line in this way, vertical line if we draw, so both parts will be equal and mirror half also. See, if we see this part, we can find out that this part is, what will be the second part. Okay, in the one more alphabet is there. See, it is P. If we draw this, so this part is like that. So we can find out that what will be the other part. If we draw other part, it will not be the P, because it is not mirror half. So both are not same. Okay. So different all the alphabet. This exercise we can do by all the alphabet, and some other pictures also we are drawing. See. Now see, in this picture, if we draw a line to divide this, both parts are equal or not? Both parts are equal and both parts are mirror half of each other. Next one is this is the picture. I am cutting from this side here. Both parts are equal. Both parts are mirror half. But if I cut from here, if I divide from here, both parts are equal? No. Both parts are not mirror half and not equal. See, one clock is there. It is just like a circle. If I divide from middle, it will be mirror half or not? If we see the shape, it will be mirror half. But it is a clock and numbers are also given. So here 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, or here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will be not mirror half. Otherwise, if it is a circle only, and if we divide, it will be mirror half. So by the shape, if we see the shape, it will be mirror half. But it is a clock and there are number and hour and a minute and is also there, so it will be not be mirror half. So when we see one more thing is there, when we divide anything, so we have to see the color combination and number shapes we are seeing, but except shapes, if something is written, both sides should be same, both sides should be same numbers will be written or same alphabet is written at, as well as color combination should be same. If here it is yellow color, here also it should be yellow color. If see same circle is there, but in this way. Okay, see, half circle boundary is yellow and half circle boundary is pink, and I am dividing from here. Now it is mirror half or not? It is not mirror half because we are dividing it, but color combination is different. Okay, here it is pink color or here it is yellow color, so it will not be mirror half. So there are so many examples in your book, so many pictures in your book. You can find out. There are two types of questions also here. First one, draw a line to divide each shape, each object into mirror half. And second one is there. Second question, already line is there for, and you have to tell it is mirror half or not. So there are so many pictures given, but three things we have to remind for do this question. First one, both the shapes, both the parts will be same. Second one, color combination will be same. Third one, alphabet or numbers are coming, that should also be same. That we have seen in clock. The both parts are equal but numbers are different. One example I have given that color combination is different, so it is not a mirror half. And third is there, third question is there given, draw different shapes using grid. Shapes or pictures using grid. In this question, this type of grids are given, dotted grids. Okay. This type of dotted grids are given in the book, and you have to draw different shapes and different pictures in this dotted grids. See, one I am drawing for you, other one you will draw. In the question it is given, draw a kite. So how will we draw kite? You have to use all these dots. You have to draw in this way. Okay. It is our kite. Like that, you can draw other things also. There are some questions are given. Draw a kite, draw a boat, draw a flower. So you have to join the dots. What is the way to make this? Not, you will not make anywhere. You have to join the dots and then draw a picture. And some questions are given to draw the shape also. One question is given here. Two lines are given and draw another two lines to make a shape. See, like this way. One line is given and two line is given. Draw another two line to make a rectangle or a square. What is our question? Two lines already given and you have to draw two other lines to make draw a rectangle or square. So see, in this way we can draw a rectangle. Some other way also we can do. So there are three types of questions in this lesson. First one is view. Two types of question in this. Pictures are given and we have to tell which view is there, top view, front view, side view. Second one is there. You have to draw the view of a object like pressure cooker, table, cupboard, etc. etc. Second question is there, mirror halves. Mirror halves, different types of things or pictures are given. You have to draw the line to divide in two parts. And in other question, already line is given and we have to tell it is mirror half or is it a mirror half or not. Third one is a shapes are given. Dotted grid is given and we have to draw different pictures or a shape in this dotted grid. And last one is there, that is also related with mirror half but with alphabet. See, that I have already told you in the example also. See, some alphabet is given but only there one half is given and you have to draw the other half by seeing the first half. So see, if we see first half, same we will draw here. This line is here, same line we will draw here. This line is here, same line we will draw here. So we will get alphabet A. Same, see here. Now same line we will draw here, same line we will here. So it will be alphabet U. This slanting line is there, one slanting line, same slanting line you will draw in this way. So we will get alphabet V. And here also it is M. So by this way, some name also given there. We have to draw other half of these alphabets and get the name also. Okay. So practice all these questions with examples and with so many questions are given in your worksheet also, this type of questions. So practice those and prepare well. Thank you.